I just can't get over this snow. I'm sorry, but this is ridiculous. Okay, so where are they going to put this snow when they plow my driveway tonight? If the snow stops by tonight. Okay, I just opened my garage door and this is what I was confronted with. If it wasn't cold, I'd build a snowman. This is my neighbor's truck. How the heck? Look at this. This is like the craziest thing, the way the snow is drift. Can you believe this? Oh my gosh.
35 years ago.
Oh my gosh. This is, I'm talking to my neighbor now. But this is unbelievable. It just, unbelievable. This is the best view I've gotten though from my garage. But it's still coming down. And yeah, it's definitely a wonderland. Oh my gosh. Okay, but this is the funniest, this truck. Okay.